Imagine being able to analyze thousands of rows of complex data, just by talking to your spreadsheet. No formulas, no stress, the AI does everything. Let me show you a simple example. My voice is recorded directly in the yellow cell B2, and the result appears instantly in the blue cell F2.
What are the sales for John Smith?
Look at that, the AI is searching, and there is the exact total, but let's test another, more complex example to see if it really understands. Let's combine multiple criteria.
Show me the profit for technology in California.
Look at that. It filtered the category, the state, and automatically switched to the profit column instead of sales. Perfect. In this video, I'll show you how to build this step by step. Let's get started. Before we look at the code, let's quickly see how our sheet is structured. Right here, starting on row 6, we have our sales database. We have columns for the customer name, the state, the category, and our metrics, sales and profit. Our script will read this exact layout to filter the rows and calculate the totals. Now, let's open the script editor and write the code. I have already prepared the complete code for you on my GitHub. You can find the link in the description. Let's copy it and paste it right here. Now, the only thing we need to change is the API key on line 2. To get your free key, head over to Google AI Studio, click on Create API Key, and copy it. Paste it between the quotes, save the project, and we are ready to analyze the code. Let's look at how this code works. First, we have the onEdit function. It monitors cell B2. If B2 is cleared, it instantly empties our results cell F2. But if we speak into it, the script sends our voice query directly to Gemini. For example, if we say, "What are the sales for John Smith in California?" Gemini will analyze this and return a clean, structured JSON object like this: customer, John Smith, state, California, metric, sales. This is how the script knows exactly what to look for in. Now, once Gemini has extracted these clean criteria, the second part of our code, search and calculate, takes over. First, we have data retrieval. The script reads our entire database starting from row 6. Second, we perform iterative filtering. The code loops through every single row, matching the customer name, state, or category. If a row matches all our criteria, the script takes the value from the requested metric column, whether it's sales or profit, and adds it to our running total. Finally, it writes this total directly into our blue cell F2 with a clean, formatted message. Simple, fast, and extremely powerful. Now, one quick but crucial step. Since our script calls Gemini's external API, Google Sheets requires an installable trigger to run it. Go to the Triggers menu on the left, and click Add Trigger, set the function to onEdit, set the event source to From Spreadsheet and the event to onEdit. Hit Save, grant the permissions, and that's it. Our sheet is now authorized to talk to Gemini. Now, let's test it live with a brand new, complex question.
How much profit did we make from office supplies in Texas?
Let Gemini process it for a second. And look at that, instead of getting confused by plain text, Gemini perfectly mapped how much profit directly to our profit column, identified the category as office supplies, filtered for Texas, and summed up every single matching row below row 6. No SQL queries, no rigid SUMIFS formulas, just plain human language driving real-time analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI and automation tools. All the code and setup details are available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.